Hello everyone, this is Matt Hoos with Rated Green, and I want to talk about one of our partner members. We've got a Rated Green member that we're using on the 1920s makeover ATL as Stego. Now we're going to be using some of the regular Stego products and also Stego Home, which is one of their vapor barriers that they've got designed for underneath the slab. So let's quickly go over their different products. This just arrived yesterday. We're going to install this in a couple of days and talk about how this goes in and why we're using this on this project. So right now we're prepping the pre-slab. We're putting the radon vents underneath, and then we're putting the rock wool, which is our insulation, our thermal control layer. So on top of the rock wool, we're going to have our vapor control layer. Now we're going to use the Stego Home product. This product not only helps stop some of the vapor, but also other harmful chemicals from underneath the slab. Now I've seen a lot of installations with plastic. They don't go down very well. The challenge is like when you put plastic onto a surface where you're trying to tape it on, and again, this is regular Stego tape, which is a great tape. The challenge is if you use tape only or single-sided tape only, and you're trying to tape this to a foundation or something like that where it's not going to receive this tape very well. Again, very sticky. It'll probably hold it in place enough for the concrete to go in place. But if we want to create a permanent seal where we don't have to worry about vapor barriers, vapor coming around it, or worry about radon coming around it, that's when we go into something like this. This is the mastic. It's called Stego Mastic. I've got a 5-gallon bucket here. Now the Stego also comes in I believe it comes in a sausage tube as well. So if you have a sausage gun, you can use that and basically apply it like with a caulk gun. So with the tapes, two different types of tapes here and for different reasons. We've got the Stego tack tape. Now the Stego tack tape is a double-sided sealant. So if we're trying to overlap seams, this attaches to the top and the bottom. And then you can go on top of that, on top of the seam, you can go with the single-sided tape. Now what we're going to do in our project, we're going to use all three of these different products. We're going to use some of the double-sided tape. We're lapping over the seams. We're going to use the single-sided tape and the mastic where we've got penetrations coming through, like where we've got the pipes coming through, and also where it meets the foundation wall. Again, all these are great products. Now this is part of the Stego Home series. Now Stego just came out with this for residential. They're primarily known for commercial. They're getting into crawl spaces. Again, a very good product, very durable product, and we'll be doing some testing on this later to show you how it keeps vapor out and how you can make a very good seal with this product. If you want to see their profile on Rated Green, click on the link in the description below.